How to make a Libra man chase you. A Libra man is charming, romantic, and drawn to beauty and balance. Ruled by Venus, he loves elegance, fairness, and meaningful connection. If you want him to pursue you, you must appeal to both his heart and his mind. He's not easily impressed by loud behavior or pressure, he values grace, intellect, and harmony. Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 simple yet powerful ways to make a Libra man chase you. 1. Be calm and graceful. A Libra man is attracted to people who are composed and elegant. Speak gently, move with confidence, and avoid drama. He notices those who bring peace, not chaos. 2. Keep conversations smart. He loves deep and interesting talks. Discuss art, ideas, or current events. Show him you're intelligent without being overly serious. Make your words count. 3. Look your best. Libra men appreciate good style and well-groomed looks. You don't have to be perfect, but show effort. Dress with care and pay attention to small details. 4. Be friendly but mysterious. He's drawn to those who are kind and social, but not too available. Let him see you shine in a crowd, but keep some things about yourself private. Make him want to know more. 5. Show good values. Libra men like people who are fair and kind. Be honest, show respect to others, and speak up for what's right. Integrity is attractive to him. 6. Compliment gently. He enjoys compliments but not too many. Praise his taste, his words, or his style, something meaningful. Let it feel real and thoughtful. 7. Keep some secrets. Don't tell him everything right away. Let your story unfold slowly. A little mystery makes him curious and keeps him coming back. 8. Build emotional moments. Share laughter, kind gestures, or quiet talks. He remembers special moments that feel true and warm. Emotional bonds pull him closer. 9. Let him take the lead sometimes. He enjoys balance in relationships. Let him plan or decide things, but also speak your mind. He respects someone who knows their worth. 10. Be feminine with strength. Show your softer side, but don't hide your independence. A Libra man loves a woman who is kind, confident, and has her own voice. To make a Libra man chase you, be balanced, charming, and thoughtful. Let him see your beauty, both outside and within. Give him space to pursue you, and he will, if he sees you as his perfect match. Do you want to keep your man's eyes on you and only you? Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.